How to download and play Modern Warfare on PC or laptop. So if you want to download and play Modern Warfare on your PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for Modern Warfare. Once you search for it, here you will have the game, right? So you need to scroll down, and you can also go with the official website, or you can also go with Steam where you'll have your discount, or you can also scroll down and you'll find the websites where it's available. So I'll just simply go with the Steam option. You can simply click on Steam, which is right here, or you can also go with the application itself. If you have the application, then you can go with search, which is on the top right, and search for Modern Warfare. And you need to enter your birth date, go with view page, and here you will have the game. So you just need to simply scroll down and you will have an option of download right here. But if you've not paid for the game, then you will not have the download option. So you just need to simply go with add to cart, which is on the right side. Once you add it to your cart, now you need to go with view my cart and select the game that you would like to download. And after that, go with continue to payment, which is on the right side, and enter your payment method, or select your payment method and then go with continue again and pay for the game. Go with continue, and once you pay for the game, then you will have the download or the install option, and then you can download the game. And after downloading, you can play. So that's how you can download and play Modern Warfare on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.